Well, today we are going to dive into the golf world in Jakarta, and then we are here with someone who are making a wave in the golf industry, Bapak Budiarso Sastrawinata. Good morning, Bapak.
Morning.
How are you, Bapak?
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much, Bapak, for your willingness to talk with Sid today, right now. But one thing I think it's very interesting to see the trophies here. What is it, Bapak? Can you tell us?
This is the trophy that we give for the tournament that we call the Ciputra Golfpreneur Tournament.
Okay.
It's sanctioned by Asian Tour
All right.
in the level of Asian Development Tour.
Mm-hmm.
We purposely choose the Asian Development Tour to give the more chance for the Indonesian pro to win.
Okay.
Because the level is under the below the Asian Tour, but still sanctioned for the world ranking.
Ah, interesting.
So we started this tournament in 2014.
Okay.
So until now we have conducted 9 times.
All right.
But to encourage the winner, the Indonesian pro, we especially give the trophy for the best Indonesian.
Okay, there is
So,
the best Indonesian selections, ya, Pak.
So if the Indonesian win, he will get 2 trophies. The winner and the best
Indonesian selections.
And also we invite junior, the best junior to play in our tournament, and we also give trophy for the best junior.
Wow, so more appreciations for the Indonesian players, ya, Pak?
Yes.
So that's very interesting, Pak. But Pak, we know that you are a business figure, if we can call it that way, in Indonesia. And then you have a lot of business lines, but mostly maybe in developer and also in property. But what are your motivations at first when you are expanding your business to golf?
By developing an integrated development project, especially for the large-scale development project like BSD as a new town self-contained city that we started way back in 1984 when the company was established. A new city will serve for all segments of the market.
Okay.
From the very small to the large houses. That's proven when we started launching the project in 1989. We launched with all segment of the product, from the very small house of 21 square meter on the 60 square meter of land, up to the golf housing area of 3,000 square meter land. So it creates the perception and the image of a really new self-contained city that cater for all segments of the market.
Oh, so that will be your that was your motivations at first.
Yeah, and because we make golf as one of the facilities that would create the new lifestyle.
Oh.
Because when we build house, we don't just build a house, but we build a home with a lifestyle.
And when we saw the establishment of this place, Pak, we cannot ignore the significant role of the Jack Nicklaus, your partner in this business. How you are able to work with him?
To be honest, at the time we don't know him.
Okay.
Yet.
Yeah.
But our group already have experience developing golf course residential in Pondok Indah. It was designed by Robert Ray Jones Jr. At the time, I wasn't involved. Still Pak Ciputra. I was still schooling in the 70s. Because Pondok Indah was opened in 1976. Then when we started designing and planning for this for BSD, because it is also an integrated large-scale development, so we'll include large house, big houses that also will have the facilities that support the big houses, which is golf.
Okay.
So then I thought we already have one designed by Robert Trent Jones Jr. And our other project in Pantai Indah Kapuk, already given to Robert Trent Jones Jr. also.
Okay.
So I told, we discussed with Pak Ciputra, I said, we need to go to somebody better or higher perception than Robert Trent Jones Jr. And we don't know anybody yet. But we know there is one, there is Jack Nicklaus.
American professional golfers.
Professional golfer, and also he designed golf courses. Known by all golfers to be one of the best, and also more expensive. So Pak Ciputra wrote the letter to ask Jack to design our course, but we got the reply no. But yeah, being the young blood maybe, I didn't take no as an answer.
Okay.
So I did go and visit their office.
Oh, directly to
directly
the US.
With no appointment.
Okay.
Of course, when I called the office, they didn't accept me because they said it's been replied no. But since I was there, they allowed me to meet the vice president for marketing. We discussed, and then he maybe sort of a little bit give up with me. So he let me speak with the senior vice president on the next day. The same thing happened. Then I was lucky. Then they said, okay, we'll let you meet Jack yourself on the third day.
Oh. Okay.
Then when I explained about our project and what we developed in Indonesia, and in less than half an hour, he said yes.
Wow.
Because I think he's not an architect. He's a golfer. But since he's a good golfer, so he knows exactly the strategy of golf and the best golf should be.
Okay.
The best course should be. And with Jack, they have three different category of design.
Okay.
First is the Jack Nicklaus signature, which is BSD.
Okay.
It means that he designed it himself. Then he has the Nicklaus II, his son.
Okay.
Then he has a Nicklaus design, which is from his designer, his staff.
Okay.
So three different level of design that he introduced.
And then the tree design is
It's
already applied here.
It's different fee.
Oh,
It's different. So we choose the Jack Nicklaus signature.
Oh, we need to choose. It's a different fees
Different
for every
fees,
designer. Okay.
Because who designed it is different.
Yeah. But talking with the design and then the layout of the course, Pak, what do you think make its difference? And then what makes it interesting for the golfers? Is it and then how you balance between the playability and then the challenge maybe in the course? What is your discussions? Maybe you would like to share.
Yeah, first we asked Jack. We want the championship course.
Okay.
But also friendly to members or beginners.
Okay.
That's why you can see that from his design, we have 5 different tee boxes.
Okay.
The black for the professionals, blue for the lower handicap, white for in general members player. Then we have red for ladies, and we have yellow for junior.
Okay. Okay, so complete for everyone who would like to play golf, ya Pak?
Yes, so
Even for the
everybody can
beginners.
enjoy. Beginners can enjoy. A good player still can have some challenge,
Yeah.
and the pros also can play as a championship course.
Other than, I mean, like nowadays, there's a lot of tournament that you held here in this place. And how do you think that tournament, be it in international and the national, could attract more golfers or player to your place?
By organizing or being the host venue for tournaments, of course, we will attract new players, new professional players, new spectators that will come and enjoy the event itself.
Yeah.
Then we have more exposure. Then they can see themselves the quality of the course, the facilities that we provide. Then that's a good chance for us to show the quality of our course and facilities. And one of the criteria that people would consider a golf course, a good golf course, beside the design and the maintenance of the course itself, is the facilities that we provide, the services that we provide, and also the tournament event that being held in the course.
But do you have a specific strategy, for example, Pak? Especially because you want to raising awareness for the golf. You know, golf is not, I mean, it's very segmented, to be very honest. It's a segmented sport for people in Indonesia. They always think golf and associate it with luxurious, rich sports. And how do you maybe like raising awareness, especially for the beginners or like the young generations that, of course, you will also want to scouting for a new athletes, for example. What is your strategy, Pak?
It is the vision of Pak Ciputra himself to promote golf in Indonesia, that we organized a junior open since we opened in '92. So the first tournament of junior open is in '93. So we held it every year. We started from Indonesian participant only. Then we elevate it to ASEAN, then Asian, then since 2007, it becomes the World Junior Championship that we call the World Junior Ciputra Golfpreneur Championship.